eggs.
That's what we are cooking today. We're cooking together and we're cooking eggs.
And we're going to start with scrambled eggs.
That's a good idea.
I'll do it the home cook way and you do it the fast pro way.
Okay.
Well, I'll start.
Okay, we'll start with you then. How many eggs do you... Are we doing one portion here? Two, three
I'll
eggs?
do 3 eggs.
Right. Maybe I'll break mine too.
Because you have a different system than I do.
Yeah, I'll break it flat.
I think it's more fun to do it with one hand, but then you...
That's true, but I don't like to break it here, I break it here.
I'm going to put a little bit of salt in there.
A bit of pepper.
There's a little pepper.
So far, we are in unison here.
Yeah.
We're doing the same eggs.
Remember when I first started out at the Cordon Bleu, my old chef, Monsieur Bunard, said, "No, who's going to make the scrambled eggs?" And I said, "Je."
Je.
And of course, I did it far too hard. If it should be done much sooner than I meant to keep a little bit of egg in the bowl.
Oh, I know what you're going to do.
What?
This is the old style, to put a bit of the raw egg at the end to stop the cooking.
Yeah.
Right.
Or to cream them up.
Right,
I like a softly scrambled egg.
Yes, I do too, actually.
Yes, I went to some fast food place and I said I wanted softly scrambled eggs. And they were just like hard nuggets.
So you're going to go slowly there with the spatula?
Very slowly to make kind of just a broken custard.
All right, so I'm going to start mine
so
because...
mine will take 3 or 4 minutes.
Oh, it's true. For mine, it's not going to take as long. I'm going to steal a little piece of your butter here. I like to do it in a deeper pan like this and with a whisk. Sometimes people do it in a bain-marie, actually, slowly, to prevent. And the idea, of course, in the French style is to cook them very, very fast, for me, with the smallest possible curd so that they don't toughen. And we're going to do a garnish with it, so.
Are you going to put garlic in it?
No, a garnish.
Oh.
A garnish. No garlic, no.
Well, I know how he loves garlic.
No. I do. Actually, I have a little bit of garlic in my tomato, to tell you the truth. So here we go, 3 eggs. So we're doing it with a whisk, with the smallest possible curd. I have some stewed tomato here. I'm going to use as a garnish, some fresh tomato. I'm going to put some crouton with it and some chive. Are you garnishing your eggs? Oh, they're going out well there. That's nice.
But very slowly.
Yes, but I'm interested in seeing the difference, you know, in testing them this way and the other way. You see, here I have a lot of heat, which continue. So we'll stop the heat a little bit by putting a dash of cream in it, or fresh butter, so that it stops the cooking. I put salt, pepper in it, and I'm ready to put a little bit of my sauce here. I like to put it in the middle and actually spreading it out this way. Then we put the scrambled eggs, which you will see are very soft. Maybe a little bit of chives on top. Those are croutons just done with a little bit of oil.
That's like a luncheon dish, isn't it?
It is, it is.
No.
Well, you know, in France, very often we serve egg like that as a dish, you know?
Yes, you never serve eggs for breakfast.
No, not very often.
Yeah, well, mine are done. They're nice and soft, and to make them a little softer, I'm going to put a little more
So you put that egg
in it. I think you have to remember, too, that it keeps cooking in the pan.
It does.
And I was going to garnish mine with a little bit of smoked salmon.
Oh, that sounds
very
I actually love smoked salmon with eggs.
I do, too.
It goes well together. There is things which really go well with eggs.
And I'm going to borrow a little bit of your chives, if I may.
In the middle, you want it?
Over on that side.
Okay.
Well, now let's taste them.
Yours are very glossy, soft and...
That's because they're soft. Love eggs.
Good. They have a different taste. That's interesting.
Yes, they do.
You like yours better?
I like yours very much. I think mine are a little eggier.
Yeah? Because of the eggs at the end, we don't have to finish the whole thing, right?
No.
They are creamier in a sense.
So try both and see what you like. They both work. That's what's good.